Hey everybody, welcome to Shooting Gear Reviews, straight up guns and gear reviews. Today is just a couple days after opening day for quail season here in northern Arizona, and we've been really nurturing a nice little population of quail here on the ranch, and I thought this is the time to get a few for dinner tonight. So we've got the Benjamin Gunnar right here in 22 cal. Now this gun is just dialed in at 50 yards and are out here in these thick juniper trees. Most of my shots, really they're going to be closer than 50 yards. So today I'm going to go ahead and run the Hades, JSB Hades 22 cal. I've got my ATN X-Sight 4K 5-20 on top of here to record the shots for you guys. And we are going to head out and put a few quail in the bag. Let's go do it. All right, well there it is, success. Benjamin Gunnar 22 cal running the JSB Hades definitely did the job, especially when you smack a quail perfect headshot like that. Love the sound it makes, and man, that is an instant awesome lights out. We have plenty more quail out here, but I think this is enough for dinner tonight, enough to call it a good successful day of hunting. Actually looks like we might even be having a storm rolling in. So there you have it, guys. Definitely you can do it with the Benjamin Gunnar right there. Fun time hunting. Gosh, I love it out here. If you guys love this and you love hunting as much as me, you're probably going to want to check this video out right up here. More hunting action. Go ahead, click it. I'll see you guys over there.